Hi, good evening. We are at Intersolar 2017. We are at the stall of Patcon, which is a German manufacturer. Today we had Zaid, who can tell us more about Patcon. Hi Zaid, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing fine. Thank you for this interview. I want to talk about, before talking about my company Patcon and our product, I want to talk about PID. This is a common issue and has been a big issue actually in Europe and becoming and rising here in India and in new markets. It's potential induced degradation caused by non-grounding or not properly grounding of the system, and this is caused chemically through the electrons flowing out of the glass of the EVA in the solar panel. What we do is we have a new technology. This is called the float controller. We control the floating in a way that we raise the voltage on the DC side of the inverter, making this possible for the cells to always see a positive potential difference between them and the ground. And in this way we we achieve a recovery for the panels, and on the other hand we also achieve a full protection against PID for the future as well. And these factors that can also enhance PID would be high humidity and high temperature, which is also typical in India. We would like to continue our bigger projects here in India and continue our success.
How has been till date the Indian market for you?
It's of course a very big market, a very potential market. As I said, we started with some bigger projects and we're going further with partnerships, and we're seeing the Indian market as a very potential one, in a way that in the next months or maybe next year will everyone know about PID. And the thing is with PID that it takes a bit of time to get detected, and that's what and why we are expecting the Indian market to arise in the next time.
So can you please brief us more technically how your products actually are helping developers from this PID issue?
Well, as discussed earlier, as I said, we work on the DC side, so we work only on the positive side, and that's how our product is patented. It's patented on the positive side. We pull the voltage on the positive side in a way that you will always have a positive potential difference. This is very easy, a very small device. Compared to the size of the inverter, of the panels, and compared also to the cost of other components, it's a very feasible, easy to market, easy to sell actually, because if there is a problem, you will have to fix it. It's helping our installers, especially in Germany and Europe, in a way that they know much about the PID issue, and now they're going to, in the direction of, let's say, prevention. They know they would have PID in the future. They don't want to lose their PR, lose money until they realize they do have PID. They go for the preventive solution, and that's very helpful at the moment also.
In a market like India, how do you plan to educate your customers?
Well, we are trying to make some partnerships with people who do the testing, to get to people who might be, let's say, who think they would have some issue with their power plants, and we get the results, we get the tests, and we try to tell them. Also, of course, at the exhibitions, we try to always be there, because as I said, we're expecting this subject to arise, so we will be here to educate people, to give them our feedback, to give them our information in advance.
Great, Zaid. It was pleasure talking to you, and we hope that Indian market really treats you well.
Sure. It's a very good market. Thank you again for the interview, and I wish you a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.